Hey everyone, welcome to Sindhu Seasoning. So today's video is kids birthday party snack ideas. It's easy to make and I'm sure kids will love it. So let's see how to make it. Kids love popcorn. Of course everyone loves popcorn. So today I'm making caramel popcorn balls. For that I have taken 2 pack of Act 2 popcorn. So let us wait till all the corns pop. For making the caramel sauce, I have taken 1 cup of caramel sauce, 50 grams of salted butter, stir it continuously to get that sticky consistency. Finally, I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of Milkmaid. Caramel sauce is ready. Let's pour the sauce into the popcorn. Though it's a party snack, I'm using cling wrap to make the popcorn balls. You can always use your hand to make the popcorn balls. So that's it. Easy and quick caramel popcorn balls are ready for the party. Not only the kids, even the elders will love the popcorn balls. Next snack is lychee flavored jelly. For that I am using 2 cups of lychee flavored juice. You can also use your favorite juice for this recipe. I am going to use food color for this. Next I am adding 3 tablespoons of gelatin powder. Keep stirring it continuously so that it won't stick to the bottom. I'm using blue color. Keep stirring it continuously in a medium flame until it starts boiling. So once it started boiling, you can turn off the stove and you can start filling it in a bowl. You can also add pieces of fruit, lychee fruit in this to get that fresh lychee flavor. So after filling all this, I'm going to refrigerate for this 2 hours. Now you can see that lychee flavored jelly is ready for the party. So next is nachos. Without nachos, there is no party for kids. I'll show you later what I'm going to use to make nachos. So today I'm making garlic and herb flavored nachos. For that I'm taking garlic and herb flavored butter, 1 spoon of pasta seasoning and 1 spoon of red chili powder. I'm going to bake this in an oven. By using tortillas, I'm going to make nachos today. Let's cut this into small triangles. You can also use homemade tortillas for this recipe. It's easy to make and it tastes delicious. It will be crispy and delicious. And once you taste this recipe, you feel that it's better than store-bought nachos. Now I'm going to dip each triangles into the herb flavored butter, or you can brush it in. Once you're done with all, bake it in a preheated oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Now our homemade nachos are ready for the party. So the next party snack is chocolate cupcake. Kids loves cupcake. So cupcakes are must for all the kids party. So I have taken 2 eggs and half a cup of cooking oil. By adding little water, I'm going to beat it. Now I'm adding all the dry ingredients. All-purpose flour, chocolate powder, powdered sugar, little bit of baking powder, pinch of salt. I'm going to mix it all together. Now I'm going to fill this in a cupcake liners. Once the filling is done, I'm going to bake this in a preheated oven for 20 minutes. So now you can see that our cupcakes are nicely rising up. So that's it. Cupcakes are ready for the party. I hope you all enjoyed by seeing all the 4 party snacks. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video, which is party decoration video. Bye.